and welcome to Mission Lean, the program that gets you lean and helps you stay lean for life. I'm Luda, one of the co-founders and an ACE-certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition specialist. And today, we're going to talk about how I became a morning person and my tips and tricks that you can steal for yourself. Becoming a morning person, if you want to be one, is actually easier than you think if you make the right adjustments. For years, I didn't know how to wake up early. I used to not be able to sleep until 2 or 4 in the morning, and so I wouldn't be able to get up until 10 or even later. My insomnia was terrible, and the feeling of being unproductive was even worse. I've always wanted to be a morning person, and I used to set my alarm to 6 a.m. every morning in college and grad school. This is a true story. Unfortunately, for my roommates, I never woke up at that time and would end up snoozing the alarm for 2 extra hours every single day. As you can imagine, they hated me for it. Yet every night, I would still set my alarm to 6 a.m. thinking that tomorrow was going to be the day that I actually did wake up that early. It never happened until I started eating breakfast and doing my high-intensity Mission Lean workouts regularly. The biggest things that changed my ability to wake up early was starting to eat breakfast and increasing the intensity of my workouts. Once I started eating a small breakfast every morning, it became much easier for me to wake up early and to fall asleep early. The workouts made me properly tired so I could drift off to sleep early and recharge and rejuvenate my muscles. They also made me feel so good. I used to drink coffee to begin the day, but after starting to do these workouts, I no longer needed caffeine to wake up. The workouts became my caffeine and totally replaced my coffee. Sometimes, I'm still a little tired when I get up and head to my workout, but after 10 or 15 minutes, I am wide awake and energized, and I can't wait to take on the day. When I first started these 2 habits of eating breakfast and doing high-intensity workouts, I would get into bed and I couldn't wait to wake up the next morning and do these workouts. Seriously, I wasn't dreading it like I had with workouts I had done before because they weren't boring, and also the progress that I was seeing in my body and fitness were just so amazing. I couldn't wait to keep going. My body naturally readjusted and knew to wake up so that I would eat a little something first thing in the morning, have an amazing workout, and start my day. I was able to peacefully fall asleep around 10 every night. Nowadays, I don't even use an alarm anymore, and I usually don't have to worry about oversleeping. Try starting these habits and let me know what you experience in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys. You can check out missionlean.com for more free resources, workouts, and recipes, and download our app, Mission Lean, from the App Store if you want to get started right away. You'll find all the links underneath the video.